YouTube. It's my basement, my house. Don't judge me. We just moved in November 27th. They closed the pressure washer. Yeah, keep it inside. See if we can get some flash on here for y'all. Guess that's not gonna happen. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you what's going on in my basement. This house is a little bit older, 71. Yeah, I had a whole plans. I got my TV over there. You can't see it. You can't see it. It's one of those curved TVs. Right. I noticed that earlier. The wife says, "Oh, it's fogging up down here," so that means moisture. Well, look at this rod. It's wet. So we're gonna take that off, and she puts her little towel of dreams there, and everything goes away in her mind. Well, in mine, how am I gonna sleep when I got water dripping on my floor? I got this white stuff. It's not a tape. It's RESCO. And it's like clear. Well, the other one's red. There's blue. And the guy bought this off, said, "Oh yeah, it helped us in a pinch. My buddy's four-wheeler, his hose broke when we wrapped with this, and away they went." So I want to sleep tonight. I don't want to be stressing. So we're gonna try and fix this. I don't have proper camera footage there, so we're just gonna wrap this pipe in there. Let's see if this even works. It might be great. Might be the newest, greatest product on the market. I might have to patent it myself. I don't think it's patented. So just wrapping the pipe up. This is a quick fix. This is not a call a plumber or resolder it yourself kind of thing. This is just simply I want to sleep tight fixed. So I'm just wrapping the pipe. I'm trying to get it tight, right? As you can see with water, I'll just keep going to the nearest easiest possible way. And you want to get this on there as flat as you can. I want to wrap this pipe up. Wraps good. I'm gonna take a big length out here. Snap it here just so I can get around there a little easier. Widen up a little bit. And then just see what I can do with this tape. And yeah, see if it works. Obviously it's still but hey man. I might get you home on the trails. I might carry this with me all the time. Slowed down the leak. You'll pull it really tight too, which is nice. And it sticks to itself. So I think it's safe to say it stopped there, but hey, I still feel water, so I'm just gonna continue wrapping it with this. And tighter. And go back a little bit in here. A little tighter. A little tighter. And that's the end of that piece. Well, it kind of is hanging there. And as you can see, the leak is still there. But it ain't dripping like it was. So I'm gonna put a little more around it. I don't know how you guys can see this or not. I'm just kind of my phone propped up on the camera here. I'm just gonna wrap the shit out of this because this is my heating system in my house. You know, in the States, I don't know. You guys don't have as cold as us. That's just my dryer going off over there. I don't think you get minus 30s. This is not a end all or be all. This can get you through a pinch, this shit. I got it at like a flea market or something. The guy sold it to me, said, "Oh yeah, there's one roll missing out of it." $3 for the whole thing a day. $3 for a night's sleep sometimes is kind of cheap. Especially if you got a snowmobile that's down and you're losing sleep over that. I've been there, done that. So I ride 4 strokes. So I'm just gonna keep wrapping this. And you kind of gotta go tight, right? Good thing is it's self-adhesive. It's not sticky, but it's like saran wrap, right? So basically, I'm saran wrapping. We'll call this saran wrap, but it's more like a tape saran wrap. The pipe and this guy maybe my $3, 6 months ago, stuff I thought I'd maybe use on my ATV is gonna work on my pipe. And this is a hot water. This is pressurized pipe. So I don't know what the pressure would be on this. Oh, the boiling temperature is about 70 degrees Fahrenheit, which would work out to, I don't know, 70 degrees Fahrenheit, or 78 degrees Celsius, which we couldn't even get when it was set down when we got that. It was set to 25. We couldn't get, when it was minus 30 out, we couldn't get 19 out of our heating system. Now I'm going to break it again. And I'm going to go around this real tight. Let's see if this fixes this leak that my wife decides to throw a towel down. Like, this has been leaking for a while. I don't know how we didn't notice it, but we didn't notice it. I don't come down here very often unless it's to get a tool or, work on an engine on a sled, and I don't look over in this far corner under a cover to check my pipes. That's what the building inspector is for, the great building inspector. So I put this stuff on. And I had a pretty decent drip. I don't really. There's a little bit there, but not from the pipe up. But I think I can sleep tonight knowing that that's on it. I'll probably double wrap it, triple wrap it, fuck it. For the, if you're looking for this, I don't know if it's something you can order. But it's just like and if this is wet, this isn't dry. And it seems to be doing okay. Look any different when it's dry? I don't know. We're gonna check it out. I think this was dripping pretty good. And a little bit, but I'll go over here. My little bit, nothing like it was. That's my heating system, so I kind of have no freaking choice. So it is what it is anyway. This is Jag EMC, and we do a lot of stuff. Tomorrow we're gonna do some sled stuff, and then if we're still around Tuesday, we're gonna do some pretty cool sled stuff. Yeah. We won't let you know about Tuesday, but Tuesday is gonna be a long day for this guy. Anyway.